Hello everyone, this is Dr. Khalid. You are watching Math Majlis with Dr. Khalid. In this video, I will cover Chapter 1, Section 1.3. What? Section 1.3. Here we study fractions, decimals, ratios, and percent. So these are the four things we will be studying in this section 1.3. Let us start with fractions. What are fractions? The fractions are of this type, where a, b are real numbers. A divided by b or a by b, except one condition that a, b are real number, a can be 0, no issue at all, but b should not be 0. So be careful about this, that whenever you write a fraction, the denominator should not be 0, whereas the numerator can be 0, because 0 by any number is 0, but any number divided by 0 is not defined. So these are the fractions. In fact, there are two types of fractions. One proper, two improper. What are proper fractions? A by b, where a is less than b. This is the condition. That is, the numerator should be less than the denominator. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. These are all what you call the proper fractions, where the numerator is less than the denominator. What are the improper fractions? They are a by b, with a is greater than equal to b. That means the numerator can be greater than equal to denominator, or it may be equal. For example, 5 by 3, 5 by 2, or 3 by 3 is also an improper fraction, because either a is greater than or it may be equal, that is a, b are same. So these are called proper fractions, improper fractions. Improper fractions we can convert to mixed numbers. What are the improper fractions? A by b with a greater than equal to b. These are the improper fractions. What are the mixed numbers? Mixed number is mix of the whole number a and the fraction b by c. So this is the mixed number. We can convert improper fraction to mixed numbers. The method is by performing the long division. That means divide a by b, that is perform the long division, we will be able to convert the improper to mixed number. So let me take an example for this. For that, we go to page number 29 of lecture notes, and we will take up the section 1.3 exercises, example 1, 2, 3. Section 1.2 exercises. The first one, 3 by 2. So this is an improper fraction. We will convert this into mixed number. So for that, I had to divide. 2 multiples, 2 into 1, 2, 3 minus 2, it is 1. So I stop. Don't take the decimal. So I will not take 2 into 2, because if it is 2 into 2, it is 4, which is more than 3. So the multiple of 2 will have to take here such a way that either it is equal to 3 or less than 3. So, but you have to go nearer to that. So this is called quotient, this is called divisor, and this is called remainder. So now I will give you the formula for this. Q R by D. This is the formula for converting improper to mixed number. So Q is 1, R is also 1, and D is 2. So this is the mixed number of the improper fraction 3 by 2. Let's do one more question. Number 3. It is 11 divided by 4. Again, we divide. 11 divided by 4. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. I will not take. So I will go for the nearest. So 4 into 2, it is 8. Minus, it is 3. Stop it here. Means don't take the decimal value also. So this is the quotient, this is the divisor, and this is the remainder. So Q R by D. So Q is 2, R 3, and divided by 4. So 2, 3 by 4 is the mixed number for the improper fraction 11 divided by 4. So this is how we convert the mixed number, the improper fraction to the mixed number. The next set of questions are these. That means mixed number can be converted into improper fraction. How? For example, just check it. A, B by C is a mixed number. Now I will convert this into improper. So it is, I will multiply this and this. That is C into A. Then the result I will add up with B. That is plus B. And the same C I will take here. C. That is C into A plus B divided by C is the formula for converting mixed number to improper fraction. So let's take example here. Number 5. 2 by 5. How we will convert this? It is, first I'll bring 5 here. Then I will multiply these. That is 5 into 2. The result I will add with 2. So 5 into 2, 10 plus 2 by 5. That is 12 by 5 is the improper fraction for the what you call the mixed number 2 by 5. So similarly, you can do question number 4 and 6. Question number 7. Now I will take question number 7, 8 and 9. Number 7. 7 by 21. So here in this question 7, 8, 9, we will be simplifying the fraction. So what is the method of simplifying the fraction? The method is first find factors of numerator and denominator, that is 7 and 21. Second, cancel the common terms. That means same term up and down you cancel. So when you do this, means you are simplified the fraction. But before that, let's see what is the meaning of factors. What are factors? The factors are like this. 6. The factors of 6 are 3 and 2. So 3 and 2 are the factors of the number 6, and 6 is the product of two factors 3 and 2. Similarly, what are the factors of 4? It is 2 and 2. 2, 2 are the factors of 4, and 4 is the product of two factors. What are the factors of 8? It is 4 and 2. Or you can write 2, 2, 2. So 4, 2 are the factor, 2, 2, 2 are also the factors. What are the factors of 2? 2 and 1 only. What are the factors of 5? 1 and 5 only. So these are all called the factor. Find the factors of the numerator and denominator, cancel the common terms, that is which are present up and down, then you have simplified it. So for example, now 7 by 21. Let me find out the factors of 7. 7 and 1. The factors of 21. 7 and 3. Now common terms, that is terms which is up and down 7, 7, I can cancel. I got the answer, that is 1 by 3. So this is how we simplify the fraction. Another example, number 9. 20 divided by 15. Let's do the factors of 20. 4 into 5. Factors of 15. 5 into 3. I cancel the common terms, that is same terms. What is left? 4 by 3. Now this is the answer. I cannot do further simplification. The reason is, if I do, you can find the factors of 4, 2 and 2. You can find the factors of 3, 3 and 1. There is no common term, so no cancellation. So therefore, further cannot be simplified. Therefore, 4 by 3 is the simplification of the fraction 20 by 15. So this is how we simplify the fractions. Next we will go example 10 to 15. Let me take example number 10. 2 by 5 dot 1 by 3. So what we are doing here is that we are given two fractions, 2 by 5, 1 by 3, and we multiply these two factors, fractions. How we do this? A by B into C by D. So we multiply two fractions. You multiply up, that is A dot C. You multiply down with down, that is B dot D. This is how we multiply the two fractions. Exactly in the similar way, it is 2 into 1 and 5 into 3. Nothing common, so no cancellation. So final answer is 2 by 15 is the what you call the multiplication of the two fractions. Let's take question number 12. Minus 5 by 9 dot 3 by 10. Let's apply the same formula. Minus 5 dot 3, 9 dot 10. I multiply up and down. Note that there is only one minus. Either you take up or down. So minus into plus. So minus 15 and 9 into 10. That is 90. This is how we multiply. And if you want to simplify this, find the factors of 15, find the factors of 90 and cancel the common term, write the answer. If it is only just multiply, you stop here. So another example. Minus 5 by 9 into minus 3 by 10. So how we do this? So here we have one minus, but here we have two minuses. No issue. So minus 5 into minus 3 divided by 9 into 10. Look at it. We have two minuses. I have written two minuses here. So what is minus into minus? Plus 5 into 3, 15 and 9 into 10, 90. This is the answer. If it is two minuses, the answer is plus. If it is one minus, the answer is minus. This is how we multiply two fractions. You can do the remaining questions. Now let me do question number 16 to 21. First, let me do 17. 3 by 4 division 2 by 3. So means we are given two fractions and we are dividing it. Again, the formula A by B division C by D. How we divide two fractions? The answer is A by B dot D by C. So C by D becomes D by C and then division becomes multiplication. This is the rule. Whereas A by B, the first fraction, does not change. So applying the same rule here, I will write 3 by 4 as it is. Convert this into multiplication. When it is multiplication, it becomes 3 by 2. That is 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2 according to this. Then multiply the up, that is 3 into 3. Multiply down, 4 into 2. Multiplying, it is 9 by 16. This is how, what is the division of these two fractions is this. If you want to simplify further, take the common, cancel, that is the simplified part of it. Another example, 19. Minus 7 by 9 division minus 7 by 9. How we do this? Minus 7 by 9 dot minus 9 by 7. So the rule, division, multiplication, they change the places, but the sign doesn't change. So open the bracket. Minus 7 by 9, and you should know the rule of opening the bracket. Plus into minus, it is minus. minus into plus, it is minus. Minus into minus, it is plus. This is how we open the bracket. So here we have to open the bracket. So if I open the bracket here, there is a plus, then it is what? It is minus 9 by 7. Then it is minus 7 dot minus 9 divided by 9 into 7. Right? And then we cancel the terms 7 and 7, 9 and 9. We have two minuses here, 1 and 2, that is minus into minus, plus 1, there is no number, and then 1 into 1, it is 1. So the answer is 1. So this is how we, what you call, divide the two fraction. When it is negative, negative becomes plus. So this is what? The division of two fractions. Then we consider the examples 22 to 27. 22. 4 by 9 plus 1 by 9. So what we are doing here is, we are given two fractions and we are adding the fractions. But the point here is that the denominator of both the fractions are same. See, this is what the two fractions and the denominators are same. So when the denominators are same, it is very simple. Just add the numerator and take the denominator as it is. That is B, same, and A plus C. If it is plus, you add. If it is minus, you just subtract this. So looking at this, we can do 9, 4 plus 1 because plus. So the answer is 5 by 9. The same example, let me give you another example. 1 by 9 minus 4 by 9. Same denominator. So what I will take, the denominator is same. But the first is 1 minus 4. Don't change the order. So 1 minus 4, not 4 minus 1. Because when it is minus, you have to be careful. So the answer is minus 3 by 9. So for this 5 by 9, for this it is minus 3 by 9. So don't, be careful, 1 minus 4, not 4 minus 1. So this is how we subtract two fractions and add two fractions. Let's do question number 23. Six by 13 plus minus 10 by 13 plus minus 12 by 13. That means we are given three fractions and we are adding three fractions. We cannot add or multiply or subtract three numbers at a time. So what we do here is, we take first two numbers, then add, and the result you add with the third one. So that is how we do this. So I take the first two numbers, 6 by 13 minus 10 by 13. Open the bracket, plus into minus. It is minus 10 by 13. Then we have a same denominator. Therefore, the answer is 13, first 6, and then 10. That is 6 minus 10, minus 4 by 13. So this is the addition of the first two fractions. Now this I will take minus 4 by 13. Then I will take this number, that is plus minus 12 by 13. So what happens here? Open the bracket, that is minus 4 by 13 minus 12 by 13, because minus into plus is minus. So since the denominator is same, 13, so I will take up the up, it is minus 4 and minus 2, because it is minus 4 first, this minus 12. So minus minus means it is plus, that is plus 16 by 13 is the answer, that is the addition of all these three fractions. So I do first two, then I take the result of first two, then I take the third one, then I do. This is how we do it. Or you can do directly, but you have to be very careful when we are doing directly. So no sign or no mistake in the sign, consideration, etc. So this is how we add and subtract two fractions. Now we will see question number 28 to 33. Let's say 28. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. What is the change here is that we have two numbers which are not same, that is denominator not same. When we have such fractions, how to do this? A by B plus C by D. Look at it. Here they are not same. And how we do the addition of these two fractions when the denominator are not same? Multiply down B and D. Write down. Multiply D and A. Cross multiply. That is D dot A. The sign is positive, takes positive. Multiply B and C, that is cross multiply, B and C. If it is minus, take minus. That's it. So in that case, applying the same rule here, it is 3 into 5, then 5 into 1, the sign is plus, then it is 3 into 1. So this is 5 plus 3 by 15. That is 8 by 15. Answer. Let's take another example, extra. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So they are different. So what I do? Multiply 3 into 4. Then 4 into 2, cross multiply. The sign is minus 3 into 1, cross multiply. So 4 into 2, 8, 3 into 1, 3, and it is 12. So the answer is 5 by 12 is the subtraction of these two fractions where the denominator are different. You can do the remaining question in the same way. Now we go to example 34 to 36. 34. What is given? 20 to 36 given to you. And your question is here, write this is ratio, write this ratio as a fraction. So before that, I will give you what is ratio. Ratio means we write like this, A to B. This is how we write a ratio. Sometimes we also write A colon B. This is also same. So A to B, A colon B is the way how you write a ratio. Next question. Is it ratio and fraction are the same? I mean, whether I can convert ratio to fraction? Yes. If it is A to B, then I write A divided by B is the fraction of for the ratio A to B. Or A colon B means it is A by B. If it is B colon A means it is B by A. That means the first goes up, the second goes down. So the first goes up and the second goes down. So this is what the relation between ratio and fraction. So looking at that, here the question is here, you are asked to write the ratio into fraction. The answer is 20 divided by 36 is the answer for this. Now this is, we are converting ratio to fraction. Suppose if I ask you to simplify the fraction, you will have to take the factors of 20, factors of 36, can cancel the common term, then it is simplified. If it is only conversion, stop here. You can do question number 35 and 36. Coming to question number 37, 38, 39. Let me take 37. That is 12%. So here the question is, write each percent as a ratio. I have to convert this into ratio. Let me give you what is percentage. A percentage. This is the symbol of percentage. A percentage means it is A divided by 100. Cent means 100. Per means divide. Of means multiply. So A percent means A by 100. So what is this? It is the fraction. What is this? It is the ratio. So ratio I will be converting into fraction. In this question number, what you call this. So how we do this? It is 12 by 100. This is the fraction. Now I will convert this into ratio. A colon 100. So that is 12 colon 100. You see, percentage, fraction, ratio. We can convert like this, percentage to fraction, fraction to ratio, ratio to fraction, fraction to percentage. The same way it goes. Looking at question number 39. 2.5%. How we write it in fraction? 2.5 divided by 100. How we write in ratio? 2.5 colon 100. So that is what the example number 39. The next question, that is question number 40, 41, 42. 40. 4%. Here we are converting the percentage